I've finally given them names. The one that just is going underwater right now is Aatos. And the other one, who's just bathing right now, is Roan. They're getting a little bit bigger. The weather has finally started acting like summer, and it's actually warm out today and the sun's out instead of rain. So this is their second day that they've had a pool, and they absolutely love it. I just had to put them in it though, because despite what my mom says, I don't think that they know how to get in it by themselves. Yeah. It's my silly ducks, and I was really glad that I was able to get them diving underwater on tape. It's a hot day out. Well, not too hot. I'm still wearing pants, but hotter than it's been. And ducks need water. Oh, babies. Alright, that's all.